Nice pass. 2 points. Basmera. Number 1. First personal foul, first team foul. Sumera, layup is good. Sumera din, pass to number 8, layup, wala. Kambao, wala rin. Sumera din 1, pass to Kambao. Kambao is 2 points, wala. Sumera din, grabe yung Sumera. Dikit. Diyan si KQ. Ako yung KQ pala. Ayun na. Number 20. Hindi pa ako nakapag-set up, nagsimula agad eh. Hindi pa ako nasusulat yung mga number eh. Number 9.
Points, number 16.
Sabi sa inyo eh.
10-2 official score, 7 minutes and 48. Zavala, Manaya wins out, close the layup. Number 33 to number 20, wins it up in 2 points.
KQ!
12-2.
Daddy KQ! Yung number 20. Ayun.
15 on the shot clock, Zavala. 10 on the shot clock. Rebound number 16. Zavala, back to number 16.
Foul.
There is the foul.
Timeout.
Timeout.
Panthers.
Panthers. Official score is 12-2 in favor of Montolite, with 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the first.
Number 1, second personal foul.
Number 1, that is his second personal foul, second team foul.
Hindi pa yung kompleto.
Back to the ball game. Two free throws from number to Sumera. Splits the charity. Sumera making the tally 13-2. Lamang ng 11 ng Montolite. Zavala. Number 9, no. Rebound number 20. Good defense by Zavala, save basketball. With 21 seconds to shoot. 21 to shoot for Team Montolite.
Montolite.
Bukoy loses the angle. Kambao on the play.
Gandang pass ha?
Ganda naman ang look away pass. 15-2. 6 minutes and 41 remaining in the first.
Ginanon
Zavala. Drop out. Binigay number 10. Sa ilalim, number 15. Nugget. Here's Panayaw. Panayaw lays it up. Nugget. Rebound number 10. Quickly, sa ilalim, 2 points for number 13. Credit the assist to number 10. Panayaw pulls out. Malakas. Gets his own miss. Lays it up and in. 2 points. Second field goal for Team Panthers with 17-14 official score. Arrogante. Binigay kay Kiambao. Kiambao sa gitna. Dinala to shoot. Kiambao. Cross court to Bukoy. Malakas. Manayang Ikas. Zavala. 2 points. 17-6. Labing isa pa rin ang inahabol ng Panthers. Sa ilalim, number 16, Somera. Somero. Bulbo, black ball.
Uy, nandun gabi.
Oman fires. Malakas. Here is number 10, for number 20, Kiambao.
Wala na naman pa sa yun.
Somera, this is the layup. Manayaw. 3-on-2, Zavala. Easy shot, no. Change players.
Change players.
Change 5, both teams.
Panthers ball, Panthers ball. Ay, red pala, red. Galit ka, galit.
Number 2. Back to number 2. Sa ilalim.
Random pass na naman.
Manayaw. Manayaw stops. Lays up. Pinasa. No good. Number 3. Cross court. 2 points. 19-6. Shot clock. Manayaw. Number 2 to number 3. Second in the frame. 15 to shoot. Not last, the door. Here is number 26. David lays up. No, Manayaw fakes. Sa gitna. Number 10, block. Sa ilalim. No good. Sa gitna. Number 10, Lawrence. Lawrence fires. No good. The red ball.
Time out, time out. Time out mo, Toy, time out.
Toy.
Ay, sayang. Time out.
Timeout, Team Motolai.
Naka-headset ka
Official
kasi.
score is 19-6 in favor of Motolai to win 3 minutes and 12 seconds in the first quarter.
Ano ba number 16? Hindi makita ng 15, hindi 16. 15 ba? Yun. Oo, 15.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi makita ng tatabunan yung jersey sa ilalim.
Number 3. number 2. 2 on 3. Number 2 lays out. Number 2 scores. 21-6. David. Manayaw. 12-2. Rebound Sarmiento. Lawrence. 10-2. But there's a foul on
22.
number 22.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Sarmiento receives. Sarmiento nakabihan. Number 3. Naagaw ni Sarmiento. Naagaw ulit. Turnover. Manayaw. But there is a foul on number 12. Number 12, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 4, Manayaw.
Manayaw. Kailangan mag-step up din. Wala namang ibang ano din eh. Mga assistant eh. Oo. Kailangan yung ayusin talaga dyan.
Second throw, 2 out of 2 for Manayaw on that trip on the line, making the tally 21-8. 2 minutes. Ross. Miscommunication between the two. Turnover. Manayaw. Manayaw makes his move. Napabigan. Here's number 3. 3 out 2. In and out. There's Manayaw. 3 out 2 ready. Manayaw side step. Wala. Manayaw second try. Related Sarmiento for the easy 2. 21-10. Nabig-isang palatangan ng Mokolay. With a minute and 10 seconds remaining in the first. Number 3. Sedale, good play, nawala lang. Second try, wala. Sarmiento, natabigan. Lakuha, 15. But there is a blocking foul.
Number 18.
On number 18.
First.
That is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 14 on the shot clock. To shoot. But there's a foul downstairs on number 4, Manayaw.
First.
Only the first personal foul for Manayaw, warning for penalty. 14 seconds on the shot clock with 47 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Chawiko, no. Rebound number 22, short. Manayaw. Manayaw, blocked, but there is a foul.
Number 3.
On number 2. Number 3, sorry.
First.
Number 3, that is his first personal foul, 13 foul. 2 free throws awarded from number 4, Manayaw.
Para mga batak sa laro. Sumasabay pa sa layang ah. Ako nung pabayaan ko na eh. Bigay ko na yan.
Lamang sila eh, diba?
Pumasok ba? Wala. Wala. Body contact din kasi eh.
Gets the friendly roll on the second for Manayaw. 21-11, 10 kalamangan. Here's number 3. Signaling the play. Binigay kay Brooks. Brooks. Chris cross-court. Number 15. No good. But there is a loose ball foul on number 4, Manayaw.
second.
That is his second personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty na.
Two free throws awarded to number 12, Maxino. No good on his first. Gets the friendly roll, splits the charity. 1 out of 2 is Maxino. 22-11 with 15 seconds remaining. Lawrence. 10 seconds remaining. Manayaw. David. Basket is good for David. End of the first quarter. Official score is 22-13 in favor of Motolad. Ito pa lamang ang ating first game. Meron pa tayong second game between the Team Elite 40s versus Churra. At meron pang last game.
Game na.
Back to the ball game. Panthers ball. Zavala to start the second. Zavala, Sarmiento. Back to Zavala. Nawala ang bola. Here's number 8. Nagmamadali. Pinas sa gitna. Blows the layup. Here's number 9. Oba. Stops. Pops. Good. Rebound number 0. Number 0. 14 on the shot clock. No good. Number 14, 12 on the shot clock. No good. Rebound Sarmiento. Sarmiento. But there is a foul on number 24. 24, that is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 21, Sarmiento. Too much muscle on the first one. In and out. 0 out of 2 on that triple line. Here's Buboy. Binigay kay number 8. Nakagawan. Here's Olar. 2-on-2 break. Olar stops and pops. Blows, no. Rebound Zavala, offensive board. Sa gitna Sarmiento, mababa pasa. Turnover. Jose Mo. With 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sarmiento. Turns. No. Rebound, gets his own miss. Second try, wala pa rin. Boom. Lead pass to number 14. Number 14, to Files. No. Here's number 0. Stunner step. 2 points. to 15. 2 points, number 14. Credit the assist to number 8. Or number 6 rather, or number 8. 24 to 15, siya ang hinahabol ng Team Panthers. Under 8 minutes, 14 to shoot. Sarmiento with a good layup. Lula. No good. Rebound Zavala. Zavala quickly to Oba. Oba. Bad pass. Turnover.
Papasok ba sila? Buhay.
In and out.
Laki, oh.
Buboy, 2 points.
Ang laki!
26 to 17. Siyang pa rin ang minahabol ng Panthers.
Parang siya na eh, Godzilla. Slaughter.
Way off the mark. Number 8, lead pass. Hindi makawakan ng maigit ni number 35. Oval. Oval nagawan. But there is an advantage foul on number 4.
Number
Two
0.
fingers.
0.
Number 0, number 0.
Time out, time out. Time out.
Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 26 to 17 in favor of Team Motolan. With 6 minutes and 38 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
Game na.
Back to the ball game.
Ano ba yung ans mo?
Oo, kaya. Advantage.
Papupuin mo muna 3 minutes yung 0.
Wala mo nakahabol na sa Panthers dun eh.
Ha?
Advantage siya kasi yun eh. Ginaw nila hinag.
Ans pa nga. O, papupuin nyo muna yun yung 0 ng 3 minutes.
Ano?
Change player.
Number 0.
Number 0 out for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Change player number 0. 3 minutes muna.
Pumasok ba isang free throw?
Dalawa.
Dalawa. Sino tumira? Yung payat, di ba? Ayun, ng 14.
Dula. Sa ilalim. Number 24. Sa labas, number 14. Fires. Malakas, rebound Oban. Oban, nagmamadali. Oban, good defense by Dula. Oban, nawala ang bola. Red ball. Turnover. Dula. Dula fires. Dula! 31 to 17. Under 6 minutes in our second quarter. 15 to shoot. Benavides. Sa ilalim sa palo. Red ball. Number 14, Mamuhat. Tudula, Buboy, back to Dula. Sa ilalim, good passing. Number 35, short. Rebound sa bola. Over to Sarmiento. Sarmiento being harassed by 2 people. Oval. 3-point try. Malakas. Sarmiento with the 2 easy 2 points. 31 to 19. Naagaw. Turnover. Sarmiento. Sarmiento. But there is a foul on number 35, Paulino.
First.
That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Change players.
Lagyan mo ng foul yung kabilang yung hands mo. Hindi, balik na.
Okay na.
2 free throws for number 21, Sarmiento. Change player.
Okay, sakto lang.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Isa lang pumasok ha.
31 to 20. Labing isang kinakabalang Panthers with exactly 5 minutes. Nagtabasa, 2 points. From number 16, Sobera. 23-20. Tabit.
Ayun yung tumalo sa atin sa ano eh. Sa draft league. Yung Silera. Ay, hindi mo pala yung ano? Hindi mo pala nakalapat pala.
9 seconds to shoot. Sarmiento. Go. But there is a loose ball foul on number 4. Number 4, that is
Apat,
his
ay tatlo na.
third personal foul, first team foul. Arrogante, in the middle, Nagtabasa, close the layup. Nawala-wala, here is Kiabao. Look away pass.
Grabe yun.
Here is Lawrence, raise up, close the layup. Kiabao. By pass. Lawrence. Lays it up and in. 35-22. Laban pa rin ang team mo talag. Kiabao. Kiabao scores. 37-22. 15 ang hinahabol ng Team Panthers. Manayo pulls up. Sure. Rebound to David. Lawrence. Basket is good. 37-24. 3 minutes and 11 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Arrogante. Kiambao fires. Kiambao 3! 14-24. Nagagawin na. Manayo nagmamadali. Manayo shoots. Rebound number 12. Here's Arrogante. Arrogante. Kiambao.
Nice pass.
Good basketball by Team Mola. 42-24.
Ganda ng pasa.
Benavides. David back to Benavides. Back to David. Fakes, drives. High Cooper. No. Sarmiento. Lawrence fakes. Fade away. Yes, sir. 42-26. 2 minutes and 18. Arrogante. Kiambao. Kiambao steps back sa ilalim. 2 points for Sobera. Credit the assist to Kiambao. 44-26. 2 minutes. Benavides over to Lawrence. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Nelder. Red ball. Last touch on lap.
Ganda ng pasa. Malinaw yung mata. On point lagi.
Arrogante. Arrogante. Sa ilalim. Sobera.
What the-
Points. What a connection between Arrogante and Sobera. Making the tally 46-26.
On point lagi yung pasa.
Benavides. 50 on the shot clock. Fishing expedition for Benavides. Foul on number 12.
Second.
That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 18, Benavides. Short on the first. Cannot complete the second. 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line. Number 12, over to Sobera. Arrogante. Sa kabila. Lock. Same basketball with 17 on the shot clock. 17 to shoot.
Nakakal ko hindi. Score na naman.
Sobera. Turnover. Giambao with the basketball. Cross court to Arrogante. Arrogante runner. Arrogante scores off the glass. 48 to 26. 40 seconds remaining. David. Manayao. Sidestep beauty. No good. Sarmiento put back 2. Is good. 48-28. 4-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 20 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. Turnover. Miscue between Arrogante and number 13. Nakago ni Somera. Somera, Papiapaw. Blanco with 7.5 seconds still remains in the second quarter. Manayo goes all the way. Wala. Second try, it's good. Basket plus a foul on number 12.
Third.
Number 12, that is his third personal foul, 13 foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21, Sarmiento.
Dalawa pala silang bubuhat dyan. Yung Somera pa kasi.
Completes the 3-point play. Somera. End of the second quarter. Official score is 48 to 31 in favor of Team Motolite. Pagmatagalan.
Sponsor dyan, no? Isang batter ng kotse lang dyan, no? Kahit isang isang battery lang sasakyan, no? Ganda ng mga pasa, no? Sakto lagi. Pula, may chemistry na sila. Ganda ng pasahan. Walang mga pilit na tira, lahat pasa-pasa. Nakakahawak lahat ng bola eh. Tapos pag libre, tira. Game na. Bala ulit, bola.
Back to the ball game. Start of our third quarter.
Panthers ball.
Possession arrow goes to red.
Panthers.
Panthers pala.
Ah?
Red.
Ah?
Go to line. Change court. Dula to start the third. Score. 2 points for number 22. 50 to 31. Labing siyang ang ikahabol. Benavides drives in the middle. Rebound Sarmiento. Good luck is no good, but there is a foul on number 22.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 21, Sarmiento.
Wala. Di pumasok. Sabay.
No good on the second, 0 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Sarmiento. Dula. Brooks. Malakas. Offensive rebound number 22. Sa ilalim. Pagkingan, same basketball with 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Dula receives. Takes the pass. Shoots. Rebound Oval. Bad pass. Dula. Nakagaw rin di Oval. Ricky Dolores. 2 on 2. Basket is good for Lawrence. 15 to 33. Under 9 minutes in our third. Black ball. Last touch on the red. short. Rebound Lawrence. No good. 2 points for Sarmiento. 15-35. 8 minutes and 25. Naagaw. Here's Benavides. Benavides lays up blocked. Red ball. Last touch on the block.
Time out, time out. Time out. Motorlight.
Team Motorlight. Official score is 50-35 with 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the third in
Yung araw
favor
mo,
of
saan ka?
Motorlight.
Ha? Saan ang bola?
Pwede ng block, ilintay yun.
Game na.
Back to the ball game. Here is Dula. Binigay kay number 15, 2 points for Castillo. 52-35. Benavides. Benavides. Sa corner. Malakas sa tira. Gets his own miss. Binigay kay Sarmiento. Blocked. Gets his own miss. Second serving.
Galing.
Basket plus a foul.
Galing.
On number 15.
15.
Castillo, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21,
Galing.
Sarmiento.
Pineke-peke, Roy.
Completes the three-point play.
Pinaasa-asa.
Here is Dula. Dula. Basket is good. Shout out to Idol Baka, John Santos. Here is Benavides.
Alala ko pala yung kalaro ako sa show.
Saan? Ay, malaki. Ayos pala. Kaya pala siya not-out na eh.
Makakapagtawagin sa akin yun. Oo.
Benavides, 7 to shoot. Zavala, 3 to shoot. Shot clock violation, turnover. Ito na si Benavides. 4 on 2, 4 on 3. Lawrence, runner is good. 2 points.
Condition siya, attorney ah.
54-40. Labing apat ang inaabot ng Panthers. Dula. Here is Lawrence. But there is a blocking foul. Foul on number 2.
Sub. Sub.
Substitution.
Ulit.
Substitution.
Sub. Pasok. Labas lahat ng lalabas. Pasok lahat ng papasok.
20 seconds on the shot clock. Over. Eto na. Tuloy po na ako. Lawrence. Sarmiento. Eto na si Makuban. Dapat. Rebound Benavides. Lead pa Sarmiento. Sarmiento easy to move. Red ball. Nawalan ang layup ni Sarmiento. Dula. Oba. Lawrence.
Huli ka.
Galing.
Huli pa.
Pinuti ka na.
Tula.
Ginawat ka yun eh.
Batas.
Sub.
Turnover. Substitution.
Pwede kayo mag-time out.
54-40. 14 ang inahabol ng Team Panthers. With 5 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the third. Benavides. Sayang yung sarmento. Short. Rebound Rico.
Teka, alam mo yung map. Andun yung map. Yung map mo. Andun yung map sa gilid.
Official timeout. Baka mabagok ang ulo.
Tapon yung tubig nila.
Nakapo pa ako sa support pag-tips kayo sa open league mo gusto. Basta ba? Hindi! Mawala yung Mercedes. Pati sa Warpaxi.
Natapon, nalaglag eh.
Basta ba?
Bumaha. Ah, sige, pasok mo sige. Putik na yan. Leto yung ako ano? Ako kulit. Yee! Basta una muna warning. Sundan nyo ng technical pag makulit. Pag hindi ito mahimik, technical. Oh, pwede na yan. Huwag lang kayo dyan sa gilid na yan. Para tumulong. Ha? Huwag sila pumesa dyan. Nalaglag kasi yung tubig eh. Nalaglag nila yung tubig.
Electric pan, wala ba electric pan?
Electric pan eh. Ha? All goods na yan, pwede na yan. Huwag lang sila dyan sa pwesto na yan. Doon lang sila sa kabilang side. Wala naman po may pwesto dyan eh. Alalay na lang dyan sa bandang area na yan. Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Back to the action.
Uy, gag.
Good, good.
Boy. No. Rebound number 0. Number 0. Dingas. Toy Magubat. Manayaw. 15 on the shot clock. Lawrence. 10 on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Boy. Lead pass. Dula. Easy 2 points. 36 to 40. Labing-anim ang hinahabol ng Panthers. Manayaw makes his move. Manayaw pulls up. Manayaw 2 points. 56-42. 4 minutes and 28. But there is a foul on number 0.
Third.
That is his third personal foul, first team foul. 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 to shoot. Number 24, Otamegan, same basketball. 15 on the shot clock. 15 to shoot. Babuban. Way left. Rebound number 0. Number 0. Number 0. Dire-diretso. Nakagawa. Dula. 3-on-1 break. Counter steal. Sarmiento. 4-on-2. Sarmiento. All the way. 2 points. 56-44. Under 4 minutes remaining in our third quarter. Number 14, Castillo. Baguban. Bumoy. Sa gitna. Paulino. Blocked. Oba. Manayaw. Di mahawakan ang bola. Dinigay sa Baguban. Baguban, runner. Off the glass, 2 points. 58-44. Manayaw sa kabila. Lawrence. Fakes. Nakagawa. Number 24, Bumoy. Number 14, Baguban. Bumoy. Nabigay.
Laki dyan, no? Greg Slaughter. Bottom. Biglang ginanon lang.
61-44. 3 minutes and 5 seconds in third. Manayaw. Traveling violation. 1 step too many for Manayaw. Turnover.
Time out. Panthers.
Timeout, Team Panthers. Official score is 61-44 in favor of Team Mokolite with 2 minutes and 57 seconds remaining in the third.
Game din.
Back to the action.
Tatapon lahat ng tubig nila? Putik. Ayan.
Dula. Baguban.
Grabe yun, no? Grabe yun.
64-44. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining.
Grabe yun.
15 to shoot. Zavala. Sarmiento. 10 to shoot. Basket is good. Plus a foul
Small rep.
on number 12.
Court na yan.
That is his fourth personal foul. 13 foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 21, Sarmiento.
Apat na yun, yung 12.
Completes the 3-point play. Sarmiento making the tally 64-47. 2 minutes and 20 remaining in our third. Dula, Baguban, Kincheck, Younger, Rebound, Oba, Manayaw, lays it up, no. Sarmiento, second serve.
Foul. 14.
There's a foul downstairs on number 14. That is his first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Substitution.
Babakbakan ba to?
16 to shoot. Manayaw, this is the layup. Lead pass Dula. Dula bounce.
Oh, grabe yun, oh. Biglang huminto.
66-47.
Biglang preno.
Para si Gabi kayo na. Kailan laruan naman?
Manayaw, 2 points. 66-49.
Ibarga pa sa Vincent na siya. Magulat ka pa sa Chile yan. Yung shooting katakas niya.
12 seconds to shoot.
Bang! Grabe yun.
69-49. Manayaw, malakas. Manayaw sa kanya. Fix. There's a foul on number 22. Or number 12. Number 12, 5 personal fouls. 5 fouls.
Graduate na, graduate.
Two shots for number 4, Manayaw.
Isa pa.
One more for Manayaw. Cannot complete the second one. Sarmiento gets the ball. Sarmiento. Nakuha ni Dula. Nagmamali. Dula. Magubat.
Wow! Ginanag-ganag lang, oh.
Our basketball for Team Online, 71-50.
Lahat nakakawak ng bola, eh.
Nakapatid.
Manayaw is up. But there is a foul on number 35, Paulino.
35 first.
That is his
Ay,
second personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty. 2 free throws for number 4, Manayaw.
Si Calvo na.
Ganda ng pasahan.
Si Calvo kaya.
Ha? Tambak na, eh. Paano papasok yan?
Dito sa Luzon.
Kaya nga, dito may pasahan, eh. Easy basketball lang, eh.
Anong talaga ng bata?
No good. Sarmiento. Nawala pa rin ang bola. Turnover. Last 42 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Here is Magubat. Looking at the clock is Magubat. Being carried by Zabala. To number 15, Castillo for 2. 2 points, 73-50. 3-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. Sarmiento. Oban fires. Oban 3. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. End of the third quarter. Official score is 73-53 in favor of Team Motolite. Start of the fourth quarter.
Ayan, bola.
Possession arrow goes to Team Panthers. Motolayang 2 points for Manayaw. 73-55. 18 ang kalamangan ng Motolay. Kiambao, 15 to shoot. Sa gitna.
Patay! Oh! Basic!
75-55. Under 9 minutes.
Parang hindi naglalaro eh. Tumatang-patang lang eh.
Here is Manayaw, 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Ball 3! 75-58. Kiambao fires short. Short. Rebound Manayaw. Put back 2. No good. Arrogante nagmamadali. Arrogante. Binigay Sumela. 2 points.
Ginaran-garan lang ako.
77-58. Lawrence. Blocked. Manayaw recovers. But there is a foul.
13. First.
On number 13, that is his first personal foul, first team foul. 14 on the
Lupit
shot
ng
clock.
kaliwanag eh. No?
14 to shoot. Lawrence,
Agis-agis lang eh.
under 8 minutes. 6 to shoot. Over 3! 77-61. Here comes Arrogante. Sa gitna binigay si Castillo. Sumera, 2
puta.
points. What a play. 79-61.
Ginaran lang.
Sarmiento. 15 on the shot clock. Lawrence makes double fake. Malakas ang tira. Kiambao. 4 on 2. Kiambao sa kabila. What a play.
Pero saan?
2 points. 81-61. Lawrence. Over. 3! 81-64. Here is Arrogante. 15 to shoot. Castillo.
Yun na naman oh. Oh, puta. Grabe yun.
Baskets for Solera. Making the tally 83-64.
Grabe yun.
Manayaw goes all the way back. Good defense. Sarmiento easy 2 points. 83-66. Kiambao loses the handle. Lucas Manayaw. Manayaw. 2 points. 83-68. Arrogante. Crosses the timeline. 15 to shoot.
Time out naman basket.
Rebound. Rebound Kiambao. Kiambao. 15 to shoot. Arrogante to Kiambao. Kiambao second serving. Off the glass is good. 85-68.
Foul. Time out.
Time out. Team Motolay.
15. Second.
Number 15, that is his second personal foul. First team foul. Official score is 85-68 in favor of Motolite with 5 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in the fourth.
Grabe pasahan yun. Dinudukot-dukot na lang. Mas balagbag pa pala dun sa mga bata eh. 38.
Here is Sarmiento. Runner is no good. Kiabao. 2 points for Kiabao.
Bakit mo kayo ng tubig?
Sige bossing, pero next time dala kayo bossing tubig yan. Sa atin kasi dito, wala ka ng tubig eh.
Okay lang ba yun, sir? Kasi yung uniform ko pahabol pa lang yun. Okay lang naman yun, no?
Okay lang.
Sa kabila, Kiabao is up 2
Grabe yun.
points. 89-68. 4 and a half remaining. Number 0. Good pass. 2 points, Sarmiento. 89-70. Number 3. To number 20. Back to number 3. 12 to shoot. Buboy. 10 to shoot. Right back. Turnover. Omar.
Kanya-kanya eh, no? Time out. Time out. Motolite.
Tara, Team Motolite.
Madala tayo.
Official score is 89-70.
Oo.
Game reset natin. Dalawa tayo ng Team Panthers. Wala na ang Team Motolite. Back to the ball game.
Quotient na lang sila, habulin nila.
Maguban. Castillo or Chawaguito. Maguban. 12 to shoot. Buboy. 10 to shoot. Kiabao. Short. Rebound sa bala. Nakuha ni Omar. Malakas. Rebound. Sarmiento. Sarmiento shoots. No good. But there is a foul on number 21, Sarmiento.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul.
Ang hindi pinagpapawisan, no? Walang mga pawis.
Chuawico. Over to Maguban.
Hindi pinagpapawisan.
Kiabao.
Napakay na.
Short. Rebound. David. Over to Omar. Zamala. Jumper. Wala. Rebound. Number 22. Lead pass Kiabao. Kiabao fakes. 2 points. 90-70. 2 and a half remaining. Omar. Fires. Malakas. Rebound number 22. Here is number 3, Chuawico. Chuawico to Kiabao, back to Chuawico naman. Agaw. David. Agaw, counter steal, Buboy. Maguban. Easy 2. Last 2 minutes. Sarmiento na agawan. Maguban. 3 on 3. Maguban sa gitna. Yes, sir.
Grabe, nagbibit-bit.
4-70.
Foul.
But there's a duty foul on
Number 3.
Chuawico.
Good. Second.
Chuawico, that is his second personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Pasok na po yung papasok, labas yung lalabas. Omar. In and out, rebound Sarmiento. But there is a foul On number 35, Paulino.
Third.
That is his third personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws for number 21, Sarmiento.
Pinubol to. Lakas itong Sarmiento na to. Grabe, 35 points na to. Kanya lahat eh, halos kanya lahat eh. Pati yung
0 out of 2.
nanayaw sa dalawa.
Magubat. Back to Magubat.
Wala si Aguilar. Ay, Vidal yun.
Paulino. Number 22. 2 points for number 22. 96-70.
Dami ng pula na to ah. Lakas nila. Not may score.
Over. 12 to shoot. David. 8 to shoot. Rebound. Paulino. Magubat. Chuawiko.
Grabe yun oh.
Chuawiko.
Yeah.
No good. Second try, number 24, 2 points.
Nilalaro na lang.
98-70.
Lalaro na, naglalaro pa. Laking habulin nila.
David. Bawal 3! 98-73. No good. Bawal. No good. 2 points for number 26, David. 98-75. Last 10 seconds. Chuawiko to number 24. No good.
Nice game.
End of the ball game. Your winner, Team Motolite. Official score 98-75.
Sila dyan, 1795 din naman yung order dyan. Ay! 1795.
Oh, Sashin. 23. Okay,
78, 95?
Okay, 73. 98.
Ah,
73, 98.
98?
75.
Ha?
75, 98. 23.
75.
23.
Ah, 23.
Bawal to ah. Bawal?
Yung isa. Yung, ayan na, nasa likod mo. 23. Si ano na lang.